$37 Wagyu Tacos. Is it worth it? Steak is very good.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Toca Madera, a modern Mexican themed steakhouse. They have multiple locations and this is the Scottsdale location. I heard many good things about this restaurant and I heard it's pretty expensive. Let's go check it out. Also stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you little saving hacks you can use at this restaurant or others as well. Let's go.
Have you dined here with us before?
This is my first time.
Okay, awesome. Welcome. We're a Mexican-inspired steakhouse.
Toca Madera is not your traditional Mexican restaurant. It is designed to be fully immersive, modern organic sanctuary that hits all of your sense. Their entire philosophy is about pairing bold, Mexican-inspired flavors with highly sustainable, premium ingredients, all while surrounding you with custom woodwork, literal fire elements, and seductive atmosphere. You aren't just paying for calories here, you are paying for premium real estate, farm-to-glass mixology, and a live DJ and fire performance. Also, it's pretty hard to get a primetime reservation, so make sure to book in advance. We use OpenTable to book this restaurant because we can stack points to get a $16 dining credit or $10 Amazon gift card. In addition, they are pretty strict with the dress code and they even sent the reminder for this. I never seen a restaurant doing this. So keep that in mind. So I just got seated and I'm looking at the menu. The cocktails are around average $20. I would say it's pretty pricey. Like it's like a 5-star hotel cocktail price. Drink menu is pretty wide and we actually ordered one cocktail and one Margarita. Their presentation is very nice, so I'm very excited what it's gonna look like. For the dinner menu, I'm looking at it, pretty expensive. The appetizers are like average, it runs like $30, I would say. We're actually debating to get a boneless ribeye, which is $155 for 18 ounce. So I just noticed they have a members menu, so I asked the server.
Is a members menu is only for members?
No, anybody can order from it. Members just get a discounted price. We'll just have the price that's listed on the menu.
Okay.
So if you are a member, you get the following benefits and the member prices, $2,000 a year. So I made an executive decision. Very expensive, today's meal is gonna be. For the starter, I decided to order A5 Wagyu taco, $37. It comes with two. I think I have to try it because they were very proud of it. So for the entree, we decided to get a boneless ribeye, 18 ounce for $155. Second entree, we're gonna get a Branzino, $63. I'm expecting we're gonna have some leftover to bring it home. And lastly, the side dish, I'm gonna go with street corn because it's cheaper and I love corn. It's Mexican theme as well. Let's see how the food is. From the house, they serve a complimentary chip and salsa. Chip and salsa. And you can tell this restaurant is a little bit upscale because when I sit down, they ask me, do you want a house filter water? Or you want a bottled water, sparkling water, all the water options in this world, they're asking me. Of course, I just got a house water.
Thank you.
So this is the Ghost Rider Margarita. The presentation is there. I think that's why it's a little bit more expensive. I can still drink it while the fire is there. I usually don't like margarita, but this one does not have a sharp flavor. It's very smooth. So I really like it. Maybe because it's expensive, so it's better. I don't know. This is my favorite drink, Carajillo. Carajillo. Carajillo.
Carajillo.
I tried this drink first time in Mexico, in Cancun, fall in love, and whenever we go a bar, we try to look for this drink. The best one so far outside of Mexico one was at the Resort World in Las Vegas, Hey Kitty Kitty Speakeasy Bar. Their Carajillo was a hidden menu. It was very good. This is good.
Every carajillo, when I try it, tastes different. This one, of course, tastes different. Not too strong coffee bitters taste. Very lightly sweetened. A little bit watery, but at the same time, the flavor is all there. Very good.
Not bad. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Both are very good.
So the presentation is good and it tastes good too. So I got my $37 A5 Wagyu Tacos. Very tiny. Let's see if it's worth it. Cheers.
That's very good. That was really good.
$37 Wagyu Tacos. Is it worth it? Fucking yes. It tastes so good.
Really good. It's amazing.
I honestly didn't expect much. I thought it's gonna be like, it's just an upscale place and trying to rip off $37. And then when I saw it, it's like so small. It's good. I'm not joking, it's very good. Smoky and they put a lot of veggie on top of it. There's some layering on it. And there's some spice to it. Cheers. We got our main entree. Food looks delicious. Let's dig in. The top looks very char and looks very soft inside. Cheers.
Crunchy, I like it.
Outside is super crunchy. Inside is juicy. When I bite it, the flavor just comes out. It's very smoky as well. I was very skeptical about the steakhouse because it's very expensive. So far, I am really enjoying it. With the steak, they actually serve shiitake pepper. Let's try it. It's a little bit sweet. It goes very well with the steak.
Steak is good.
Steak is very good. We order a Mexican corn. Oh my god! The corn is sweet, and that little bit of cheese powder is very savory, and it has a little bit of spice on it. I'm not joking. It is super good. This food layering is crazy. I would highly recommend to get it. How do you like it so far?
Steak, amazing. I love it. The cheese, very, very good. I'm excited for the Branzino.
Now let's dig into Branzino. I don't know, this Branzino I'm not eating with rice, so I'm not sure it's gonna taste good or not. But cheers. This Branzino has a little bit of spice on it. By the way, this fish is deboned. There's no head as well, so it's very easy to eat.
Branzino was just okay. I'll order more steak next time.
One thing is really worth it to come here is watching the fire show. I know the food is a little bit expensive, but I think it has some upcharge because you can see these kind of performance and enjoy the food. It's an entertainment. For the fire performance, they actually perform in two locations. One at the front by the entrance and second by the DJ booth, which is at the very back. You actually have to walk up there to watch it because they don't come around and do it because of fire. It is very nice to watch. I highly recommend it. They actually start the fire performance 7 p.m. and every hour. So I think they perform at 7, 8, 9. I'm not sure at 10 o'clock. I think it's really worth it to watch. So the total came out $336 without tip. And I'm gonna show you my extra saving tip. I came to this restaurant because inKind sent an offer. I get $30 offer after spending $100. By the way, I am not sponsored. I just want to share how I save my money whenever I go out for this big meal. On top of it, I did buy a inKind gift card from Costco. There was some additional saving as well. If you're interested, please watch my inKind video, how I use it, how I save my money and maximize it. And make sure to sign up with my inKind referral link to support me if possible. Thank you.
When I went to the restroom, they have a, I guess, butler service or something. Someone taking the paper towel and providing it to you. And they also have like a mint. I think that's where if you grab the mint, you can tip them if you want. But I guess they have extra service. Very fancy.
So my final thoughts about this restaurant. The food is amazing. The presentation of the food is amazing as well. Price is pretty up there, but I would say it's reasonable because we are in the Scottsdale area. This restaurant is located next to Ocean 44 and Nobu. The performance is there, so it's not only you're dining in, you can actually see the performance to enjoy. It is a great place to celebrate any occasion or have a special date night. Try their steaks for sure. Branzino is good, but I think the steak was way better. Next time, if I am coming here, I will just get one appetizer, one steak, and 2 sides, and a drink to share with Vinny. That is a pretty good amount for us. And if you are wondering how the vibe here, it is very loud because there's a DJ booth and they are pumping the club theme music. I think if you want to have a little bit peaceful dinner here, you can go sit in the front area, which is near the entrance. Back is a DJ, so I think it's louder, and the bar is here. The only downside I would say is the service is just okay. I am a little bit picky about the service because this is a very high-end and expensive restaurant. We actually call here multiple times because we want to find out what type the fire show happens. It was continuing sending us the voicemail, so it was very frustrated. I got my 1 cup of water. They never top it up. The another downside I just want to call out is these kind of high-end restaurants, if they to-go the food for you, they at least give you a bag, not like a box like this to bring it out. So that's something I was a little bit surprised. Less waste is better, but that's just something I want to call it out.
Overall, we had a great dinner, so we'll definitely come back. Also, using inKind actually helped us to save extra money. So if you are interested in any other inKind restaurant, I do have an inKind playlist, so make sure to check it out. And if you're looking for any Arizona restaurant, I do have a separate playlist as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.